whatever we do in this world, we are going to be judged on the day of judgment. If we get something from someone and if we did not pay, then that will be judged on the day of judgment. If we did wrong to someone, backbited someone, slandered someone, insulted someone, or get the wealth of someone, or whatever we did wrong in this life, we are going to be judged that on the day of judgment. And that's very important factor for our life. Even a person praying 5 times a day, he think that he is going to be forgiven. No. Accountability is the most important. Even if you're praying but you are insulting people or backbiting people, slandering people, stealing the money of the people, not paying back what is due to you, then you are not going to go in hell, in paradise, but in hellfire. It is very important for us to worry about accountability. The world, in this world, the courts, people can get the false witness, false testimony. People can do something to get out of, they can spend some money, comes corruption. You can get rid of these worldly courts. But the court of the day of judgment, you cannot get rid of. Because Allah is the most powerful judge. He's going to judge everybody on the day of judgment. Even the resources we have, if you are wasting them, throwing our foods, wasting the water, wasting our money, we are going to judge for this also. We cannot waste anything. We cannot do anything wrong. We have to always worry about our accountability. They will be going to ask us the questions on the day of judgment. Where did you spend your life? How you spend your life? What you did with your life? What you did with your youth? How you earn money and how you spend it? And the knowledge you earned, how much you utilize it. These are the questions of the day of judgment. And who is the judge on the day of judgment? Allah. What you did in your life? Did you pray or not pray? Did you give charity or not give charity? Did you fast or not fast? Is your account is clear with the people? Account is not just financial account, moral account, spiritual account, rights between the people. Are the parents giving rights to the children? Are the children giving rights to the parents? Is the wife is giving rights? The wives are giving rights to the husband. His husband is giving rights to his wives. The brother is giving rights to his sisters. Or the sisters are giving her rights to his brothers. We are going to be judged everything. This is not just a joke we are in this world here. No. We are going monitored by Allah. The angels are being monitoring us now. There is 24-hour CCTV of Allah on us. And these are the angels who are writing down. The angels are like a CCTV. They are writing down what you did in your life. Then you will be accountability on the day of judgment. Allah will brought it to you. They will be showing us a visualization of what we did in our life. This one you did, this one. Now you have to account for this now. We need to worry about it. Don't make anybody your judge. Make only Allah is your judge. Allah is watching me and I'm going to do always good because Allah is watching me. And I'm not going to do evil because Allah is watching me.